Mikkel, have you invented Leffapeli?
Yes. Guilty.
Guilty. What is the story behind Leffapeli?
Well, actually, as I said before, my old boss at Group M, he didn't believe that we were able to make an ad format that people would like.
Yeah.
And we had an opportunity to test some new digital equipment, where we were able to use a game server and then connect it with just a basic app. And then play it out via the projector on the screen. And in the beginning, it was just a red dot and a green dot, and we tested it if you were able to control your dot via the mobile. Okay. And then we made a simple game, and we had a test, and people played the game. And then when the winner came up on the screen, people in the audience, they started applauding.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. And then we thought, okay, maybe we got something here, right? If we can make a 9-minute ad, 450 seconds, the world's longest advertising format, and we can have people applauding it, then we got something right.
Okay.
Right? And even today, if the Leffapeli for some reason is not on, we get in our support mail, we get complaints for users because the Leffapeli game was not on. Yeah. And I mean, how many times do you think the TV stations get complaints if the ads are not on, right? I mean,
yeah.